explaining how to use video editing. First, you open Adobe Premiere, you create a new project, for example, let's say test. Make sure also setting you have Mercury, playback engine, GPU. If you have a graphic card, you can put GPU. Then you click OK. Okay. Then you open a video. For example, I will take this one. Keep existing setting. Come here. So as you see, the video is not rotated. So you just need to, firstly, you click on here, sequence settings, and then you go on custom, and you will put dimension like this. So custom 2500 and vertical this size. Then you click OK. Then we are good now to start. Firstly, we need to rotate. You go on FX. You go on rotate here and you put 270 like this. So you see there is black borders, so you will need to zoom the image. You go in here and you will zoom so you don't see the black. Now you can center the image. To center the image, you just need to go on position. Here is vertical. You just need to move it so it's for center. Okay, so we are done with the center. Now we will need to cut the unwanted images. For example, as you see, there is she's not moving yet, so we need to cut this part. Okay, so we can take from here, we take the razor tool, we cut this here, we delete the first part, bring it here, and we will do the same for the end part. So she's moving and checking. Okay, so we can cut it. So we can cut it here. Testing. Okay, great. So now you will go on effects, you will put transition, and you will look for the transition cross dissolved. You take the cross dissolved, you put on the start, and you put it in the end like this. So it will make an effect of fading. As you see, it was fading, and fading in the back. So the video is ready now. So you go and export media and make sure it is this setting, hybrid, match source, this one, and you just click export. That's all.